Welcome to Lisbon, where history whispers from every cobblestone, trams rattle through impossibly steep streets, and pastéis de nata are a completely acceptable breakfast. Today, we're taking a whirlwind tour of Lisbon's most historic neighborhoods, each one with its own unique charm, quirks, and possibly a haunted alley or two. From the old-world soul of Alfama to the buzzing energy of Bairro Alto, let's explore the heart of Portugal's capital. First stop, Alfama. If Lisbon is a storybook, Alfama is the chapter filled with ancient legends, soulful music, and the occasional grandparent yelling from a window. This is the city's oldest neighborhood, dating back to Moorish times. And the streets? Let's just say they were designed for horses, not humans. Bring comfortable shoes, because Google Maps will give up on you here. But the real magic of Alfama? Fado music. It's haunting, emotional, and best experienced in a tiny, candlelit tosca, with a glass of Portuguese wine in hand. Try Clube de Fado or Tosca do Chico, but fair warning, Fado is not background music. Talking during a performance? Unforgivable. After getting lost in Alfama's labyrinth of alleys, reward yourself with a breathtaking view. The Miradouro de Santa Luzia is the picture-perfect Lisbon postcard. Blue and white azulejo tiles, pink bougainvillea, and a view that will make you wonder why you haven't moved here yet. Next, we head downhill, because in Lisbon, you're always heading either uphill or downhill, to Baixa, the city's grand, elegant, and surprisingly modern district. Why modern? Because in 1755, Lisbon was hit by a massive earthquake, followed by a tsunami, followed by a fire. Basically, the city had the worst day imaginable. But instead of giving up, the Portuguese redesigned Baixa from scratch, turning it into a perfectly gridded, neoclassical masterpiece. Think wide boulevards, grand plazas, and architecture that looks suspiciously like it follows a very strict dress code. It's Lisbon's polished, sophisticated side. One of Baixa's highlights? The Santa Justa lift, which looks like the Eiffel Tower's rebellious younger sibling. It was built by a student of Gustav Eiffel, and while you can wait in line to ride it, the real trick is to walk around the back and get to the top for free. Congratulations, you just won Lisbon. Now, let's take a classy detour into Chiado, where Lisbon's intellectuals, poets, and very well-dressed coffee drinkers hang out. If Baixa is polished, Chiado is effortlessly cool. Think of it as the Lisbon equivalent of Paris's left bank, but with better pastries. One must-visit spot? Bertrand Bookstore. Certified by Guinness as the world's oldest operating bookstore, dating back to 1732. Which means that while some of us can barely keep a houseplant alive, this bookstore has survived earthquakes, revolutions, and the invention of Amazon. And if you're in Chiado, you need to eat a pastéis de nata. You just do. Sure, you can get one anywhere in Lisbon, but Mantigaria is legendary. The ratio of crispiness to custard? Perfection. The sound of the crust cracking when you take a bite? ASMR worthy. And finally, we arrive at Bairro Alto. If Alfama is for history lovers, Baixa is for architecture admirers, and Chiado is for literary souls, Bairro Alto is for anyone who believes bedtime is optional. This neighborhood is quiet by day, wild by night. Think rooftop bars with sweeping views, cozy Fado houses, and streets that transform into one giant, open-air party as soon as the sun sets. If you start your evening with a drink at Park Bar, a rooftop hidden on top of a parking garage, you're doing Bairro Alto right. While you're here, try ginjinha, Lisbon's favorite cherry liqueur that tastes like a warm hug from a Portuguese grandmother. Some places serve it in a tiny chocolate cup, because Lisbon believes in making good things even better. So there you have it, 4 of Lisbon's most iconic neighborhoods, each with its own distinct personality. Whether you're here to wander Alfama's ancient alleys, sip espresso in Chiado, admire Baixa's grand architecture, or dance the night away in Bairro Alto, one thing's for sure, Lisbon knows how to charm you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have another pastéis de nata to eat. Or maybe 3. Bem-vindo a Lisboa. Welcome to Lisbon. Explore Lisbon, one neighborhood at a time.